The Backsplash command flips one part onto another part while allowing for the material thickness. In all cases, the polished sides will face each other. The red rod shows the final location of the top edge of the flipped part. Any part may be flipped onto any other part in any orientation. This makes it useful anytime you need to take material thickness into account on a 90-degree part orientation. The Orient command allows you to orient a part around any of its edges in 90-degree increments. You can orient a single part around any edge, and you can also orient one part to another part. When orienting one part to another part, the initial orientation is presented with the polished faces in the same plane. By combining single part orientation with part-to-part orientation, you can easily create assemblies like a multi-slab wall. When using the part-to-part command, you can also orient the second part through its quadrants. Unlike the Backsplash command, the Orient command does not take material thickness into account, but instead keeps the coincident edges on the same rotation axis. The Buildup command flips the Buildup part onto the stationary part. Notice that the starting edge finishes on the bottom of the assembly. In this command, the polished sides of the material are facing away from each other when complete. The Waterfall command is a special case of the Orient command. It always assigns the third quadrant of the Orient command. Visually, this is the equivalent of a 45-degree mitered drop edge. Just like the other 3D commands, you can use the Waterfall command to attach to any edge in any orientation. Here's an assembly made with one single part orientation and 6 Waterfall commands. To show how the height property works, we'll construct this assembly from a 2D template. When a 2D template is opened, all the parts start at a height of 36 inches, corresponding to a typical kitchen worktop. You can adjust the height of individual parts by selecting the part and changing its height in the Properties window. To change the height of a part, open the Properties window, then select the part you wish to change the height on. Now move your cursor to the Properties window and adjust the part height from 36 inches to the desired part height.